Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's juice these fruits together. I hope you enjoy watching. Please sit back, relax and enjoy. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you've enjoyed the video up to this very moment and it means a lot to me. Please take a moment to hit on the subscribe button if you've not subscribed to the channel. While at it, turn on post notification so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload new videos. I have lots of amazing recipes on here and I promise you enjoy watching them. So please subscribe, turn on notification, and you're welcome on board. To my amazing and returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. It means a lot to me. I'm done juicing the watermelon and pineapple, and this is the pulp. I won't be disposing this. I'll use it to prepare zobo drink. It will serve as my sweetener for my zobo drink. Next is to transfer the juice into bottles before I transfer it into the fridge. For short videos, kindly check out my YouTube shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. The name to search for is Oge Anyoko on all platforms. I have lots of amazing recipes that are a minute long or less that I'm sure you enjoy watching. So please do well to search for Oge Anyoko. Follow me, watch my videos, like, share, comment, just do all the good stuff. Also juice some cashew. This is fresh unadulterated cashew juice. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see a video on how I was able to juice this. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, share, leave me your comments and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for stopping by and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.